Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are into welding or are thinking about getting into it, you know what having a solid, dependable welding table is a game changer. It not only keeps your workspace organized but also makes your work safer and more efficient. Today, we are talking about the 7 best welding tables that will make a big difference in a workshop. We have selected 7 standard tables that combine quality, durability and usability to help you take your welding projects to the next level. At the first position of our list, we have Clutch Steel Welding Table Toolkit 36x24. This table is a powerhouse for your workshop. Measuring 36 inches by 24 inches, it provides a generous workspace to handle a wide range of welding projects. The heavy-duty steel construction ensures long-lasting durability and stability during use. This is crucial when working on detailed or large-scale welding tasks. The table includes a versatile toolkit with clamps and magnetic squares, giving you more control and precision in your work. These accessories help you secure your materials in place, ensuring accurate welds every time. The tabletop features an array of pre-drilled holes for easy clamping and fixturing, making it adaptable to various project needs. The Clutch Steel Welding Table Toolkit's sturdy frame support a significant weight capacity, allowing you to tackle heavy-duty tasks without worrying about structural issues. Additionally, the table's height is adjustable, enabling you to work comfortably whether you are sitting or standing. This customization adds to the table's overall usability and user-friendliness. At number 2, we have Strong Hand Tools Welding Table with casters. This table is designed with mobility and versatility in mind. This table's heavy-duty steel construction ensures durability and stability even when you are working on heavy projects. Measuring a comfortable size, it provides ample workspace for your various welding tasks. One of the standard features of this table is its casters, which allows for easy movement around your workshop. This mobility is a huge plus, especially if you need to rearrange your space or transport the table to different areas for different projects. The casters lock in place for stability when you are ready to start welding. The tabletop itself is perforated with a great pattern of holes, offering flexibility in clamping and fixturing. This design is ideal for securing your materials precisely where you want them, improving the accuracy of your welds. The table's adjustable height adds another layer of usability, allowing you to work at a level that suits you best. Next up at number 3, we have Avor Steel Welding Table on Wheels 36x18. This table is a compact yet highly functional table designed to meet the needs of both hobbyists and professionals. With a size of 36 inches by 18 inches, it's perfect for those with limited workspace or who need a table that can be easily moved around. Constructed from high-quality steel, the Avor table is built to last and can withstand the rises of frequent use. Its sturdy frame supports a substantial weight capacity, allowing you to work confidently on various projects. The table's wheels add to its convenience, making it easy to move and reposition as needed. The tabletop features a perforatable design which is great for securing your materials using clamps or other fixtures. This pattern enhances the table's versatility and allows for greater precision in your work. The table's adjustable height ensures you can work comfortably whether you prefer sitting or standing. For those who need a smaller mobile welding table without sacrificing quality and functionality, the Avor Steel Welding Table on Wheels is an excellent option. Its combination of durable construction, mobility and adjustable features make it a practical addition to any workshop. The number 4 position is held by Castforce KF3002 Welding Table. This table is a powerhouse when it comes to capacity and durability. With an impressive weight capacity of up to 1,200 pounds, this table can handle the most demanding projects you can throw at it. Measuring a generous size, it provides ample workspace to tackle large-scale welding tasks. Constructed from high-grade steel, the Castforce table is designed to withstand heavy use and maintain its stability. This durability ensures that the table remains a reliable and steady platform for your welding projects. The table's adjustable legs allows you to customize the height to your preference, enhancing your comfort during work. The tabletop features a perforated design which is great for securing your materials and achieving precise welds. This pattern also offers flexibility in clamping and fixturing, making it easier to work on different types of projects. The table's robust construction ensures it can handle heavy equipment and materials without issues. For welders who require a high-capacity table that doesn't compromise on quality, the Castforce KF3002 Welding Table is a fantastic option. Its sturdy design, exceptional weight capacity and user-friendly features make it an excellent investment for serious welders. The number 5 position is dominated by DeWalt. DeWalt is a trusted name in the world of tools, and their adjustable steel welding table lives up to the brand's reputation. This table boasts a large 18 by 46-inch work surface, providing plenty of space for a wide range of welding projects. The table's steel construction ensures durability and longevity even under heavy use. One of the standard features of the DeWalt table is its adjustability. You can easily change the height of the table from 27 to 36 inch to suit your working preference. This flexibility allows you to work comfortably and efficiently even during long welding sessions. The tabletop features multiple slots and holes for securing work pieces and accessories, providing versatility and precision in your welding projects. The table also includes a metal pegboard on the side, perfect for organizing and storing tools within easy reach. DeWalt's adjustable steel welding table is equipped with steady casters for easy mobility around your workspace. The table's ability to handle heavy-duty projects while remaining versatile and easy to maneuver makes it a top choice for professional welders. Next up at number 6, we have Eastwood Adjustable Steel Welding Workbench. This workbench is a top-notch choice for welders who demand quality and versatility. This workbench features a spacious 36 by 24-inch work surface made from durable 14-gauge steel. The robust construction ensures the table can handle heavy-duty projects and withstand the demands of welding. One of the key features of the Eastwood workbench is its adjustable height. You can easily change the table's height from 28 to 36 inch to suit your comfort and preference. This adjustability allows you to work efficiently and ergonomically, minimizing strain during long work sessions. The table surface is equipped with multiple slots and holes for securing work pieces and accessories, providing you with the flexibility to set up your projects with precision. Additionally, the table includes a lower shelf for storing tools and materials, helping you stay organized and efficient. The Eastwood Adjustable Steel Welding Workbench is designed with stability in mind, featuring reinforced legs and heavy-duty frame. This ensures the table remains steady during your projects even with heavy loads. Overall, the workbench is an excellent investment for professional welders seeking a high-quality and versatile work surface. Last but certainly not least, finally at number 7, we have Olympia Tools Adjustable Welding Table. The table is a reliable and budget-friendly option for welders who want quality without breaking the bank. This table features a 30-inch by 20-inch work surface, providing ample space for various welding projects. The steel construction ensures durability and long-lasting performance. One of the key features of the Olympia Tools table is its adjustable height. You can easily adjust the table's height from 25 to 32 inch to suit your comfort and working style. This flexibility allows you to work efficiently and comfortably, reducing strain during long projects. The tabletop is equipped with multiple slots and holes for securing work pieces and accessories, offering you versatility and precision in your welding tasks. The table also features a tilting tabletop which allows you to adjust the angle of your work surface for added convenience. The table's compact and lightweight design makes it easy to move around your workspace or transport to different job sites. Despite its affordability, the Olympia Tools Adjustable Welding Table offers the durability and functionality needed for a wide range of welding projects. That's a wrap on our list of the best welding tables you can find. Whether you are a professional welder or just starting out, having a reliable welding table is essential for efficient, precise work. These tables we have renowned offer durability, functionality and versatility to suit a variety of needs. Let us know in the comments which one you are thinking about adding to your workshop. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll catch you in the next video.